What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to install the Holley Sniper external shift light. Comes in this box. I actually have the blue light, but yeah, so the installation is actually pretty easy. You can actually just plug it up to the OBD2 down there, and I don't know if you can see, but I'll show better, and just have the wire hanging here. But in case you don't want to have the wire hanging like I did, because it looks nasty and you want to have it hidden, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get started. So here you can see where the OBD2 connects, and it literally just plugs right up. Now it tucks up behind the console here, and I'm going to show you how you can just, this is for a 2016 Mustang GT. So the first thing is just you rip this apart here. It's held on by clips. You just got to pry it out. And sometimes these parts here come flying off, so just make sure you don't lose these. And yeah, that's the first part. Next piece you're going to want to remove is this here, which is also held on by clips and just kind of easily comes off. You just pry it out, and then just be careful here because it's under this other plastic piece, but it just slides right out, and it has 4 clips there. So now you can really see where I hit all the cable, and it runs up behind this piece here, which we're gonna take out soon, and the cable just hides like that. And I just wrapped it all up here, and then through the bottom, which I'll show in a second, it just kind of wraps around and comes here. So it's pretty simple. You just gotta really take these pieces out, and as you can see, the wire is not meant to be there, so this kind of sticks out a little bit. That's about all, but it looks good. Doesn't really, that's the other side, and this is this side, so it does stick out a little bit, but it doesn't bother me. So that's where I have the wire tucked away, the cable. And now let's get to taking out this piece here. So to take out this piece, the same as all the other pieces, you just really yank on it, and the clips come right off. So all you gotta do is just follow the piece, keep yanking it. So it was kind of hard to remove with one hand, and I cut myself, as you can see. I didn't even feel it, but I didn't take the piece all the way out when I did it. I kind of just lifted it up enough to pass the cable through and behind. As you can see, it comes around here and just follows there. So you don't have to take it out completely. Just, you know, break it loose from the clips and pass the wire along there. There's actually an adhesive. It comes with a 3M glue, that double-sided tape, so you can stick it. Just make sure you have it pointed where you like. I have it pointed facing me at an angle, but when I'm driving, I'm looking straight, so it doesn't really bother me much. But yeah, in terms of installation, that's about it. You can kind of just wrap the wire up in there, and be careful taking this piece off because this can happen. Didn't really expect it to happen. Didn't happen the first time, but yeah. I'm actually very happy with this product. It helps a lot. You can see the different light settings. It does get pretty bright. I think it has 4. Yeah, so I normally set it to about, I think this is, let me see, 1, 2. I set it to about 2 because the options are from 1 through 4, I believe. And that's a pretty decent. The light turns off if you don't do anything. So that's where it's gonna save it at. But yeah, it's a really good product. If you have a stick shift and you're tired of having to glance down at the RPM gauge when you're racing, you no longer have to do that with this product. It cost me about $120 roughly. I got it from Holley, directly from Holley, but JX sells it and a bunch of other websites. If you just search up this product, they have it in the red and gold, and or you can see the black light or the silver light. I like black just because I love black, and then the color, the blue, just goes well with it. But they have these 2 other options. Now, your car needs to have the OBD2 at the bottom to be able to install it, and it's fairly easy. The box comes with a set of instructions on how to install it. It took me a few seconds. All you have to do is just set each gear to what RPM you want the light to turn on. I have it set at about 62, 1,000 RPM, so I have time to react before it redlines. And next up, I'm just gonna show some clips of the light in action. All right, so we're out here in Mexico to test out this light, do some quick passes. Works good, a good product.